I'm Jeremy Alvis. I'm the Division President for Operations Technology at FL Crane. We have about 500 employees all across the Southeast, from Texas to Florida and up to Tennessee. We are on the UHS Retama project in San Antonio. It is a 600,000 square foot hospital tower, and we are utilizing a multi-trade approach with Dusty. The ownership group and the GCs were pushing for multi-trade because they saw the potential of the automated layout systems, specifically Dusty, the value that it can bring to coordinate layout across all trades. Being able to get that federated model from BIM coordination onto the slab, or even just the architect MEP design drawings onto the slab, can be such a big benefit. The accuracy for install goes up over time by including more and more trade partners in the design process. The need for accurate layout is just growing. So partnering with Dusty has been a big part of that in order to provide not only our scope of services accurately through layout, but also venturing into the multi-trade layout space, where we are combining federated layout files from BIM coordination and putting that data into one Dusty unit and laying out everything at the same time. The key to setting FL Crane apart with prefab services is to really control more of the design process, get more value into the prefab product, and get that product out into the field. And what the technology does is it is a tool to facilitate our prefab efforts. The aha moment really hits when you can see how it will impact either the accuracy of the product or the production rate of the product. The projects are going up at such a quick rate that the amount of guys you'd have to have on site to lay that job out in time for panels to come right behind, it's significant. And so Dusty is able to get in, set up, and go. So we have really seen the production rate increase from having to use 2 total stations on a job site to keep up with the prefab install, to being able to drop down to just the one Dusty unit to accomplish the same goal in about half of the time. When it comes to opportunities for the field users, between the scheduling, the file creation, and the actual on-site production, there's a lot of skills that they're able to learn that can take them to that next level. You're just adding the components of a printer and the accuracies of a total station into one system. It saves their back, it saves their knees, it saves them time. We're going to implement technology or automation and free up the skilled labor to do more important work. They've all loved using the system. Utilizing Dusty for multi-trade layout guarantees that all the trades are laid out on the same control system and jive in their accuracy. Where Dusty stood out against other people in the industry, in the space, was that the rate of print is such that you don't really have to think about the print density. We are always looking for more ways to put additional information into our layout files, whether it's oversized header locations or layout stud locations. We're able to put the partition labels in place. We can print the finish layer. We're now taking that coordinated information and getting a higher quality layout print on the job site.